Carbonado, commonly known as the black diamond, is one of the rarest and most mysterious types of diamonds in the world. Unlike traditional transparent diamonds, Carbonado diamonds are opaque, dark, and often misunderstood. Because of their unusual appearance, many people confuse them with meteorites, volcanic rocks, or industrial minerals. If you found a strange black stone and are wondering whether it could be a Carbonado diamond, this complete guide will help you identify it at home using safe and simple methods. What is a Carbonado black diamond? Carbonado is a natural polycrystalline diamond. This means it is made of many small diamond crystals fused together. It is found mainly in Brazil, Central African Republic. Unlike traditional diamonds formed deep in the Earth's mantle, Carbonado has a debated origin. Some scientists believe it may have extraterrestrial origins due to its unusual structure and inclusions. Key characteristics of Carbonado. Before testing at home, you need to understand what makes Carbonado unique. 1. Color. Dark black or dark grey, sometimes porous with a rough texture. Surface may look dull rather than shiny. 2. Texture. Irregular, rough, and porous. May look like volcanic rock at first glance, does not look smooth like polished gemstones. 3. Hardness. Extremely hard, 10 on Mohs scale, harder than most stones, very resistant to scratching. 4. Density. Heavier than most common black stones, feels dense in the hand. 5. Internal structure. Polycrystalline, many small crystals. Often contains small holes or cavities. Home tests to identify Carbonado black diamond important. These tests are preliminary and do not replace professional gemological testing. Mub 1. Scratch test, basic hardness test. Diamond is the hardest natural material. Try this. Use a piece of glass. Attempt to scratch the glass with the stone. If the stone scratches glass easily and does not get scratched itself, it could be very hard, possibly diamond. However, some other materials can also scratch glass. Do not use metal to test scratching. It's unreliable. Nablash 2. Density, water test. Carbonado is dense and heavy. Steps. 1. Fill a glass with water. 2. Drop the stone inside. Results. If it sinks quickly, good sign. If it floats, not a diamond. Note, most fake stones will also sink, so this is not conclusive. 3. Magnifying glass inspection. Tanks loop. Use a jeweler's loop or strong magnifying glass. Look for tiny crystal surfaces, rough, granular texture, small cavities or pores, no metallic shine. Carbonado does not look metallic like hematite or magnetite. 4. Magnet test. Carbonado may contain small iron inclusions. Test. Bring a strong magnet near the stone. If slight magnetic reaction, possible Carbonado. Strong magnetic pull, likely not diamond, probably magnetite. Streak test, important. Rub the stone gently on unglazed ceramic. Result, real Carbonado will leave no coloured streak. If it leaves a black or red streak, not diamond. 6. Electrical conductivity test. Carbonado conducts electricity better than normal diamonds. If you have a diamond tester device, it may show diamond reading, sometimes slightly different from clear diamonds. 7. UV light test. Under ultraviolet light, some Carbonado stones fluoresce weakly. Others may show no reaction. Strong, bright fluorescence is less common. How to differentiate Carbonado from common black stones. These stones look similar. Here's how to tell the difference. Stone, how it differs. Hematite, metallic shine, leaves red streak. Magnetite, strongly magnetic. Obsidian, glassy surface, lighter weight. Basalt, softer, scratches easily. Coal, very light, brittle. Carbonado is extremely hard, heavy, not metallic, not glassy. Common mistakes people make: thinking every black stone is a meteorite, assuming weight alone means diamond, relying only on scratch test, ignoring professional testing. Remember, real Carbonado is rare. When to seek professional testing. If your stone passes several home tests, take it to Certified Gemologist, GIA Laboratory, Professional Diamond Testing Center. Advanced tests include X-ray diffraction, Raman spectroscopy, thermal conductivity measurement. These tests confirm authenticity. Is Carbonado valuable? Yes, natural Carbonado diamonds are valuable, especially if large in size, rare formation, good structural integrity, suitable for jewelry cutting. However, raw Carbonado is often used industrially. Final thoughts. Identifying a Carbonado black diamond at home is possible through basic observation and simple tests, but it requires careful attention. Carbonado is unique, extremely hard, dense, and rough in texture. While home tests can give you clues, only professional gemological analysis can confirm whether your black stone is truly a Carbonado diamond.